Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a very simple shoulder bag the simplest way possible without any additional accessories or tools used. These are the pattern pieces that I cut out and used, except for that little square. I didn't need that one at the end. So I first cut out all the base pieces twice from the gray linen lining fabric, white cotton fabric that serves as sort of as interfacing in this project, and main part polyester, part denim fabric. Since I didn't have real interfacing, I didn't fuse the two layers together, so it was just a bit harder to work with. I found the middle of the base piece by folding it in half, and I stuck a pin there to mark the spot. Then I took the side panel piece and I did exactly the same with it, marking the middle of it. Then with the right sides touching, I started to pin the side panel to the base part, starting at the middle point. Then I sewed it down with a straight stitch. This is what it looked like, and to finish the base I again did the same and found the middle of the last piece, marked it and pinned it down to the other side of the side panel, right sides touching. Once it was pinned, I sewed it down. The base was done, so it was time to create the lining for the bag, and you guessed it, I repeated the same process you already saw one more time. It was a bit easier this time because I didn't have two layers to work with here. I turned the lining base around so that the wrong side of it was visible, and I stuck it inside of the main fabric base that way, so when you look inside of the bag you see the right side of the lining base all nice and finished. I pinned the main and lining part together all the way around the top, and I sewed it with a straight stitch. I didn't have a pattern piece for this, but it wasn't needed, so here I am cutting out several 5 cm wide stripes on diagonal to create a simple bias tape for the top of our bag. Here with the right size kissing, I connected the stripes at the corner and I'm pinning them in a way I'm gonna sew, so diagonally cross from corner to corner.
Next I pinned the bias stripe to the base part, right size kissing, and I sewed all the way around. This is how it looked like after, and to hide all those ugly visible layers away, I folded the bias down about 1 centimeter once, and then again, second time, sewing it down with straight stitch and finishing it up nicely that way. Next I cut out the stripe about 5 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters long, and I created a simple strap for the shoulder bag by folding it in half and sewing with the straight stitch all along the edge. With a great effort, I turned the stripe around with only the safety pin, ironed it to make it flatter, and I pinned and sewed it to the wrong side of the back. I don't know where the footage of that disappeared, so I'm sorry for that, but I sewed 2 tiny rectangles from the main black fabric to the zipper on both sides, apparently off the camera, because it's already done here. But yeah, here I'm trying to figure out how to sew everything together without losing the strap functionality. So with the bag turned the wrong side out, I turned the right side of the zipper to the inside of the bag, and the wrong side was facing me. I pinned the zipper to the sides that way. Sewed along the long sides, but I left out short sides. I didn't sew there, so that I could later pull the shoulder strap out from inside somehow. Figuring all this out almost broke my brain. And this is how it looked like all done. And again, it could have been better, but I can live with this as my first try at something like this, so let's just hope that the next bag I make looks a bit better. Anyways guys, if you like this video, then like this video, comment whatever you like, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see and hear more from me. And yeah, stay safe and responsible, and I'll see you next week. Bye!